My precious child, I see you counting pennies when I own all the silver and gold. Those sleepless nights worrying about bills. Those tears shed over empty bank accounts. Today I speak abundance into your barren financial ground. You have been living beneath your inheritance, settling for scraps when you are heir to the riches of my kingdom. I watch as you calculate and recalculate your expenses, trying to stretch every dollar to cover needs that seem to multiply faster than your income. I see the stress lines deepening on your face as you open each bill, the way your shoulders slump when unexpected expenses arise, the shame you feel when you cannot provide for your family the way you long to. But today, my beloved, I am intervening in your financial situation with supernatural power. The God who fed 5,000 with 5 loaves and 2 fish is the same God who will multiply your resources beyond your wildest imagination. The Creator who owns every beast of the forest and the cattle on 1,000 hills has not forgotten about your need for provision. You have been faithful in little, and now I am about to make you ruler over much. Those small offerings you gave when you could barely afford groceries, those tithes you brought even when your own cupboards were bare, those acts of generosity when you had almost nothing. I have seen them all, and they have moved my heart to action. For too long you have believed the lie that poverty is spiritual, that struggling financially somehow makes you more righteous. But I tell you the truth. I desire to prosper you. I take pleasure in the prosperity of my servants. I want you to have more than enough so you can be a blessing to others who are where you used to be. The debt that has enslaved you for years is about to be broken by supernatural intervention. Those credit cards that keep you in bondage, that mortgage that seems impossible to pay, those student loans that feel like lifetime sentences. I am about to make a way where there seems to be no way. I am the God of sudden financial turnarounds, unexpected windfalls, and miraculous debt cancellation. Listen carefully to my voice as I speak directly to your financial situation. The job that has underpaid you for your value is about to change. The business idea that has been stirring in your heart is about to receive divine funding. The promotion you have been waiting for is about to manifest. The inheritance that seemed lost is about to be restored. The investment that failed is about to be redeemed with interest. I know you have prayed about your finances countless times. You have asked me to open doors, to provide opportunities, to send help. Sometimes you wondered if I heard, if I cared, if your financial situation mattered to me. Let me assure you, every prayer for provision has reached my throne. Every tear shed over money troubles has been collected in my bottle, and every desperate plea for financial help has moved my heart with compassion. Your financial breakthrough is not just about money, it is about my faithfulness to my promises. When I said I would supply all your needs according to my riches in glory, I meant it. When I declared that you are the head and not the tail, above and not beneath, I was establishing a spiritual law over your finances. When I promised that the wealth of the wicked is stored up for the righteous, I was speaking of transfer that is about to take place. The poverty mindset that has held you captive is being shattered today. Those thoughts of, I can't afford it, are being replaced with God's resources are unlimited. The belief that money is the root of all evil is being corrected to the love of money is the root of all evil. Money in the hands of my righteous children becomes a tool for kingdom advancement and blessing multiplication. You have been thinking too small about what I want to do in your financial life. You pray for just enough to pay the bills, but I want to give you overflow. You ask for daily bread, but I want to fill your storehouse. You hope for debt relief, but I want to make you a lender and not a borrower. Your vision for financial blessing has been limited by your circumstances, but my resources are unlimited by any earthly constraint. The shame you carry about your financial past is being washed away by my grace. Those poor decisions that led to debt, those investments that failed, those times you trusted the wrong people with your money, I can redeem them all. What the enemy meant for evil to destroy your financial future, I will turn around for good. Every financial setback is about to become a setup for a comeback that will astound you. Right now, in the spiritual realm, I am moving on your behalf. I am speaking to hearts of people who have the resources you need. I am opening doors that have been shut to you. I am preparing opportunities that will exceed your expectations. I am aligning circumstances that will result in financial breakthrough beyond your ability to imagine or plan. The generation poverty curse that has plagued your family line is being broken today. No longer will your children and your children's children struggle with lack. The financial foundation I am establishing through you will bless generations yet unborn. You are not just receiving breakthrough for yourself, you are becoming a portal of prosperity for your entire family tree. Your workplace is about to experience my favor on your behalf. That boss who has overlooked you for promotions is about to see your value with new eyes. The company that has been struggling is about to find stability and growth, benefiting everyone including you. The skills you have developed in secret are about to be recognized and rewarded publicly. The innovation you have been harboring is about to find its moment and its market. I am also preparing you to receive this financial increase with wisdom and humility. Sudden wealth has destroyed many because they were not prepared for stewardship. But I am developing your character alongside your bank account. I am teaching you to honor me with your increase, to remember the poor in your prosperity, and to use money as a tool rather than making it your master. The debts that have felt like mountains are about to become molehills before my power. Some will be paid off through unexpected income. Others will be forgiven through supernatural intervention. Still others will be restructured in ways that bring you freedom. The financial pressure that has felt like a vice grip around your life is being loosened by my mighty hand. Your credit score that has suffered is about to be restored. Your financial reputation that has been damaged is about to be rebuilt. Your ability to secure loans, to buy a home, to start a business, all of this is being renewed by my goodness. What has been destroyed is being reconstructed. What has been lost is being recovered. What has been delayed is being accelerated. But this financial restoration comes with responsibility. I am not giving you increase to hoard or to waste on frivolous pleasures. I am entrusting you with resources because I know your heart. I have seen your generosity in poverty, and I trust your stewardship in prosperity. You will be my hands and feet to bless others who are where you once were. The business opportunity that has been presented to you, take it seriously. The investment option that seems too good to be true, seek my wisdom about it. The partnership that has been offered, discern my voice in it. I am opening multiple streams of income for you, but you must have the courage to step through the doors I am opening. Your talents that have been underpaid are about to find their proper value in the marketplace. The skills you have honed are about to be sought after. The knowledge you have accumulated is about to become currency. The experience you have gained through hardship is about to become your qualification for breakthrough. I am also sending the right people into your life, mentors who will guide your financial growth, partners who will multiply your efforts, customers who will value your services, and advisors who will help you make wise decisions. The network you need for financial success is being divinely orchestrated around you. Those who have owed you money and claimed they could not pay, prepare for supernatural debt collection. Those who cheated you in business deals, watch as justice brings restoration. Those who blocked your financial progress through jealousy or manipulation, witness as their schemes are turned to your advantage. I am a God of justice, and financial injustice done to my children will be corrected. The fear of financial ruin that has tormented your thoughts is being replaced with confidence in my provision. The anxiety about future security is being exchanged for faith in my faithfulness. The worry about having enough is being transformed into excitement about having abundance to share. Your children are watching how you handle this financial transformation. They are learning that their God is a provider, that faith in me leads to breakthrough, that patience in hardship leads to blessing in abundance. Your financial testimony is becoming their inheritance of faith. Your prosperity is teaching them that serving me leads to flourishing. The dreams you postponed because of lack of funds are being resurrected. The education you could not afford is being made available. The home you thought was beyond your reach is being prepared for your occupancy. The vacation that seemed impossible is being scheduled by my grace. The retirement that looked bleak is being secured by my provision. But remember, beloved, that your financial worth is not your personal worth. Money is a tool, not an identity. Success is not just about accumulation, but about significance. True prosperity includes peace, health, relationships, and purpose, not just a healthy bank account. I am blessing you financially as part of a comprehensive package of abundance in every area of life. The timing of this financial breakthrough is perfect, even though it may have felt delayed. I had to prepare you internally before I could trust you externally. I had to develop your character before I could develop your cash flow. I had to establish your priorities before I could expand your prosperity. Every delay was actually preparation for greater blessing. Your faithfulness during financial famine is about to be rewarded with abundance during financial feast. The seeds you sowed in tears are about to produce a harvest of joy. The sacrifices you made when money was tight are about to yield returns you never expected. Your obedience in little is about to be honored with authority over much. The supernatural strategies I am about to download into your spirit will revolutionize your approach to money. Ideas for income generation will flow like a river. Insights for wise investment will illuminate your mind. Understanding of financial principles will transform your practice. Wisdom for wealth building will become your normal operating procedure. Your spouse will be amazed at the change in your financial situation. Your family will celebrate the end of financial stress. Your friends will ask for the secret of your success. And you will have the joy of pointing them to me, the source of all true prosperity. Your financial testimony will become an evangelistic tool drawing others to my goodness. The industries that have rejected your participation are about to seek your involvement. The markets that seemed closed to you are about to open with invitation. The financial institutions that denied you are about to approve you. The investors who ignored you are about to pursue you. Favor is being poured out on your financial endeavors. I am also protecting your increase from theft, loss, and poor decisions. The wisdom to multiply rather than just accumulate is being deposited in your spirit. The discernment to recognize and avoid financial predators is being sharpened in your mind. The discipline to save and invest rather than just spend is being strengthened in your character. Your giving will become a joy rather than a burden. Your tithing will flow from gratitude rather than obligation. Your offerings will come from abundance rather than sacrifice. Your generosity will be motivated by love rather than guilt. And as you give, I will continue to open windows of heaven to pour out blessings you cannot contain. The financial legacy you will leave your children will be transformed. Instead of debt, they will inherit wealth. Instead of poverty mindset, they will receive prosperity thinking. Instead of financial fear, they will possess financial faith. Your breakthrough is their breakthrough. Your restoration is their foundation. The stress-related health problems caused by financial pressure are being healed as your financial situation improves. The relationship strain caused by money problems is being resolved as provision flows. The depression linked to financial failure is being lifted as success emerges. Total restoration includes every area affected by financial lack. Your credit will be established. Your assets will be protected. Your income will be increased. Your debts will be decreased. Your investments will multiply. Your savings will grow. Your financial security will be assured. Your prosperity will be sustained. Your abundance will overflow to bless others. Some reading this are on the verge of the greatest financial breakthrough of their lifetime. The phone call with the offer, the email with the approval, the check in the mail, the opportunity at the door, it is all being orchestrated by my divine hand. Your financial winter is ending, and your economic spring is beginning. Stand up if you can and receive this prophetic declaration over your finances. Every door of financial opportunity that should be open is opening now. Every source of income that should be flowing is being unblocked now. Every debt that should be canceled is being forgiven now. Every investment that should prosper is being blessed now. Every financial dream that should manifest is being birthed now. I am your provider, your source, your financial security. Trust in my ability to do exceedingly abundantly above all you can ask or think according to the power that works within you. Your financial restoration is not just a possibility. It is a promise sealed by my blood and guaranteed by my character. Walk forward boldly into the financial future I have prepared. Spend wisely, save consistently, invest prayerfully, and give generously. Let your prosperity be a testimony to my goodness and a blessing to my kingdom. You are about to discover that I am indeed the God who restores finances beyond what you lost. beyond what you hoped, beyond what you imagined. Your season of financial lack is over. Your time of economic breakthrough has begun. Your era of supernatural prosperity is here. I am restoring your finances now. Amen.